What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you're into electronics or DIY projects, you know that having the right tools makes all the difference. Today, we're taking a close look at the ZY-DSO-1511G digital oscilloscope, a powerful and portable device built for precision. Let's get started. The ZY-DSO-1511G is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of both professionals and hobbyists. Right away, you'll notice the vivid color display. It's a high-contrast screen that makes it easy to observe and analyze your data clearly, which is exactly what you want when you're working on complex circuits. What makes the ZY-DSO-1511G stand out is the technology inside. It's built on an advanced hardware architecture that offers a 120 MHz bandwidth and a very fast sampling rate. This means you get stable performance and high precision across a wide range of tasks. One feature you're going to love is the built-in square wave generator. It's located right on the top of the device and lets you adjust the frequency and duty cycle with incredible accuracy. This is perfect for calibrating your probes, driving MOSFETs, or even replacing crystals during a project. If you need to dig deeper into your signals, this oscilloscope has you covered with fast Fourier transform. This lets you see the frequency domain of your waveforms, which is super helpful for harmonic analysis. You can even choose between different display modes, like logarithmic, linear, or even a music spectrum mode. Comparing signals is simple too. You can lock a current waveform on the screen to use as a reference, making it much easier to work with single-channel signals. The trigger system is also very complete, offering auto, normal, and single modes, so you can capture exactly what you need. Managing your data is just as easy because the device allows you to save and view up to 250 waveform images with a single click. You can move, pause, or zoom into your signals to investigate specific points, and then export everything to your computer through USB for documentation or collaborative work. The best part is how portable it is. The ZY-DSO-1511G runs on a large 3000 mAh rechargeable battery that gives you plenty of operation time for fieldwork without needing to find a power outlet. It is lightweight and compact, making it the perfect companion for on-site debugging. Whether you are debugging microcontrollers, repairing a car, fixing home appliances, or working on power supply troubleshooting, this device is ready to handle it all. It is definitely a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their electronic measurement setup. To see the latest deals, check the price link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more helpful gear guides. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll see you in the next video.